Hey guys, thanks for watching. I'm Rachel, if you don't know, and today I'm gonna make my bed, change my sheets, and change my duvet cover to a more fall duvet. It's so cute. Come on. Okay, first things first. I've been very sick. I just posted another video of me doing the dishes and cleaning the kitchen. This is the day after, like the day I felt better. And I had really high fever, so the bed sheets, they had to be changed. They had been I'd been soaked with sweat multiple nights in a row, and I knew once I started feeling better, I would know because I'd want to get the sheets changed. And I'd been just laying here thinking, while I was sick, thinking I can't wait to put my fall duvet cover on. I got this duvet cover, not the one I'm doing right now. This one that I'm taking off is more of a summer seersucker. I got it at Home Goods a couple years ago. I love duvet covers. I used to love having just plain white bedding, but they just get so dirty. They get stains on them from I don't know, food, all kinds of stuff. I spill my coffee in here constantly. So it's nice to be able to just take the duvet cover off and wash it instead of having to lug the huge comforter around. Do you see sticking out on the left side there? Those are these little neat contraptions I got off Amazon, and it keeps the sheets in place. We have an adjustable base bed. I had back surgery last year, and I gotta have a bougie bed or I won't be able to walk. I learn that every time I go on vacation. So I got these sheets. These sheets are from Target. They're so pretty. They're the Opal House line, and it's really neat because they say top or bottom, so you don't have to keep flipping them around because you've messed up and put them on a different way. And I like to take the adjustable base and put the feet up and the head up, and that helps it not be so tight and hard to get on. And then I put the little things that keep the sheets in place. I'll show you those on another video, but they're really cool. They work so good. They work really, really good. I can link them in the next video I do too. So you just put this little plastic piece in this other plastic piece, and I know that's really hard to imagine, but I'll show a close up. I like to put if I have pattern sheets, I like to put the pattern side down on the top sheet so that when you fold it back, the pattern is up on the outside of your bedding, and it just gives it another little extra layer of visual interest. I also got these little zipper boxes that store your bedding. I got these on Amazon. They're so nice. It keeps them so organized, and I have been putting them back in their little thing. It keeps them all together, keeps the duvets together, the sheet sets together, so that when you do want to change it, it's all right there. You don't have to pull a lot of stuff out. It has a little open plastic window so you can see into it. So I went ahead and took off the pillowcases and the shams and got those changed out. I know that there's a couple different ways to put on a duvet, and I find that this way I'm about to show you is the easiest. I'll talk you through it while I'm putting the shams on, but you take the duvet and you turn it inside out completely, and then you lay it on the bed how it's going to go. So the direction that the duvet is going to go, that's the way you lay it on the bed. And then you do need to turn it inside out or it won't work the way I'm going to show you. Then you lay your comforter on top of it, and you tie all the ties. The comforter needs to go the way that it will lay on the bed. You don't have to think, is it going to be flipped or reversed or whatever. The nice thing about this duvet, this is from Anthropologie, is my dream pattern. It's got little leopards, I guess it's leopards on it. Or cheetahs, maybe. I don't know. I'm a big animal print. Obviously, you can see the shirt I'm wearing. Anywho, put your comforter back on, and then you tie all the ties. Duvets are easier if they have the ties. They'll stay better, and they won't slip around in there as much. So go ahead and tie all the ties on there. And then you just start rolling it inside out and making a log, kind of. So you roll it away from the outside needs to be rolling away from each other. I forgot to tie this tie, so let's do that real quick. Also, put something good on TV, because you need to just treat yourself. You don't have to be held captive by your thoughts. keep rolling, 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 and then boom, it's like pops out the other side. It's better if you have a high quality duvet, I will tell you that. I tried to do it with an IKEA one and it was bad. I don't know why. I think it might have been too small. But that's it. See, you just need to do a little bit of fluffing after that and kind of even the edges up and pull all the corners to the corner. And then the inside of that middle part, pull it down. And then go ahead and button and you're done. When I try to like put it in there without doing it this way, I feel like you have to get your whole body inside of the duvet cover and you're pouring sweat and it just isn't fun and it's hard and it makes me dread doing it. But this way seems a lot easier. Go ahead and give the bed a fluff. Give it a shake. And then pull it up and start making it up. It was so nice getting into a crisp, clean bed this night after changing the sheets. There's nothing better than getting in a new set of sheets. Oh yeah, can't forget about my heated blanket. I gotta cook myself with a heated blanket every night. This one is so nice. It gets really hot. And I went ahead and put the feet up on the bed some more so I could get the cords to come out because they were hanging off the side. Me and my husband both have pillows that we sleep on every night, and they're ugly. So I hide them so we don't have to look at them, but we have to sleep with them or we won't be able to turn our head because that's how old we are. And that's it for this one. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.